It's sad, and it's leading people astray. But I mean, you've got a whole thing. I just visited your website. You charge $150 for a Bible.
Yeah.
No wonder you're caping for this thing so hard.
No.
You something that is free.
96 books in it.
The King James Version.
You ask a question and you want a dialogue. This is the color Bible, and we have Bibles also. Point out that we have Bibles at $40. So we start at $40 for people who want to spend on that budget, and then for people who want the large deluxe version with 96 books of the Bible with color images of their people, with restored Hebrew, with commentary, and a hardcover, and the Sefer and others like it charge $120. It's in range.
Oh yeah, all of you guys are making a bag. You're not the only one, no doubt about that. No. But here's the thing: the King James Version, there's no copyright you've got to obtain. You're literally selling something that's free, and unless you have
copyright on any Bible, everyone has.
No, that's not true. You don't understand how translations work. There are copyrights on Bibles. No. Let me show you how publishing works. Hold up.
The thing is that not everybody can translate.
You can't. You clearly can't translate. You have Elohim in a Greek text,
and you're deflecting from the subject matter at hand.
No, I'm not.
You very much are. The thing is on Hebrew Israelism.
And Hebrew Israelism is a bag.
We can talk about now. Let's go to the Hebrew. Let's go to the language.
Okay, show me where Elohim is in Colossians.
I'll show you. Let's go to it.
Okay, because remember, I saw you had Elohim in your translation on the screen.
Absolutely.
Where is Elohim in Colossians?
Let's get it.
In the Greek text.